What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here, and today we're going to be doing something different in the Instapot. Today, we actually are trying something that was recommended by Main Event Cooking. It's the easy 1-hour pulled pork in the Instapot. Now, Main Event Cooking is starting up their channel, so make sure that you click and subscribe and follow along with them. I'll put the link below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, of course, if you haven't already done so. Now, what we're going to need for this recipe is really quick and simple. We're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of paprika. Like most of my recipes, I try to keep it to around 4 or 5 ingredients. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of salt. And then to follow that along, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of black pepper. To give it a little additional flavor, we're going to go ahead with 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. And we're going to go out and combine these ingredients together. Let's give it a little mix and toss with our fork. Now, what you're of course going to need for pulled pork is you're going to need the pork. So we're going with 5 pounds of pork shoulder roast. You can pick this up at any local grocery store. We're going to go ahead and give that a full coating on all sides, make sure that we don't miss anything. Now, this has to be completely thawed, can't be frozen. And there you go. We'll give that a nice little coat. We'll put that in our Instapot. Now that we have it in our Instapot, we want to go ahead and add half a cup of barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite barbecue sauce, whatever one you like. And then on top of that, we're going to go ahead and add 1 chopped onion. Roughly chopped, you can throw that in. Now, if you like a little bit more onions, you can go ahead and put 2 if you'd like. I like this thing called liquid smoke. It's optional, but it gives it that real smoky taste. And of course, you're going to need 1 cup of root beer. If you don't have root beer, you can use, I guess, another type of cola or soda or pop that you prefer, but root beer is preferred. We're going to go ahead and set it to 50 minutes on high pressure, and we're going to watch it count down. We're going to do a slow release, so we're not going to release it right away. We're going to wait about 10 to 15 minutes before we release it, and that's what you got inside. So we're going to pull all that stuff out. We're going to leave the liquid aside, and we're going to put it on saute. We want to simmer it down to at least half a cup. There's our pulled pork right there that I already shredded. Just use the simple fork and 2 forks to do the shredding. And I'm just going to put that right back in to the reduced liquid. I'm going to add a little bit more of my favorite barbecue sauce, about 1 cup. And there's the finished product. It is delicious. Now, this is one of those recipes that will keep you coming back for more and more. My family ate it up, enjoyed every single piece of it. There I am enjoying every single piece of it. Thank you so much for Main Event Cooking for suggesting this recipe. I want to make sure that you guys support him. Go and follow the link below. I'll make sure that I link all of his information so you can follow his journey. And if you guys don't already know, BubbaDees.com is coming. Contest giveaways are coming. Everything is coming real soon. So keep on following, keep on watching, and thank you for all the support.